activity you're about to see is a sensory activity for an infant, and we will be experimenting with their sense of touch, and we'll be introducing languages such as warm and cold. And so what you'll see in the video is I have two identical clear bowls filled with water. One side of the water, or one container has warm water and one container has cold water. And what you'll see me do is push the container with warm water towards the infant, and I will wiggle my fingers in the water and explain this water feels warm. And then I'll feel it in my fingers, maybe touch it to my cheek, say warm. And then I will allow the infant to explore the warm water first. And then I will push the cold water towards the infant, wiggle my fingers the same way, and explain this water feels cold. And then maybe touch it to my cheek and say cold. And then I will allow the infant to play with both the different temperatures, explaining that once again, this one is warm and this one is cold. And it's fairly simple and straightforward, but when you've decided to use this activity, or allow your child to explore this activity, continue using the words warm and cold throughout the rest of your day. So the food is warm or cold, or maybe if you're outside and the sun has been beaming on some rocks and they feel the rock feels warm, or maybe you get an ice cube and that feels cold. Yeah, continue with using language pairing with their senses to really give them a well-rounded experience with these words and with their senses. This water feels warm. Warm. This water feels cold. Cold. Warm. Cold.